Everything's major. Everything's major. Hey guys, welcome back to Everything's Major. I'm introducing you to my new waffle series. I can describe this waffle series in one word: delicious. Simply because we have chicken and waffles, maple bacon waffle, peach cobbler waffle, classic strawberry waffle, blueberry waffle, cinnamon toast crunch waffle, and introducing the new succulent Cajun lobster waffle. Your mouth is in for a treat. First things first, please take a quick second to subscribe to my YouTube channel and click on that notification bell as well. Now let's get into these ingredients. All the ingredients and information will be down in the description box, so sit back and relax while I do all the work and you enjoy the ride. This ends our episode of Everything's Major. Like always, it's always a treat when the majors meet. I'll see you next time. Thank you guys for watching, and please like, share, comment, and subscribe to my new YouTube channel. Take care and God bless. And everything you do, make sure it's major. Everything's major. Everything's major. Everything's major. Everything's major. Everything's major.